Have you ever seen a flower that loves the mud? Yes, it's the lotus flower, a magical bloom that grows in muddy water but stays clean and beautiful. Let's explore some fun facts about this amazing flower. Fact 1. The lotus is a clean freak. Even though it grows in dirty ponds, the lotus flower always stays clean. Why? Because its leaves are super water repellent. Water just rolls off, taking the dirt with it. It's called the lotus effect. Fact 2. It wakes up with the sun. The lotus flower is like us in the morning. It wakes up with the sunrise. It opens its petals during the day and closes them at night as if it's going to sleep. A flower with a bedtime? That's so cool. Fact 3. It's a symbol of peace and purity. In many cultures, the lotus is very special. In India, China, and Egypt, people see it as a sign of purity, wisdom, and peace. Even gods and goddesses are shown sitting on lotus flowers. Fact 4. It can live a long time. Lotus seeds can stay asleep for hundreds of years and still grow when planted. One seed found in China was over 1,000 years old, and it still sprouted. That's almost like flower magic. Fact 5. It's not just pink. Lotus flowers come in many colors, not just pink. You can find white, blue, purple, and even yellow lotus flowers. Each color has its own special meaning too. Fact 6. It's edible. Did you know you can eat parts of the lotus? People cook its seeds, roots, and even stems in delicious dishes, especially in Asian countries. Yummy and beautiful. So the next time you see a lotus, remember, it's not just a pretty flower. It's a symbol of strength, beauty, and nature's wonder. Don't forget to stay curious and keep learning with Think and Tell. See you next time.